It's a beautiful Wednesday morning at Cars and Coffee here in Englewood, Florida. They're still coming in. And we have a special treat here today. Look at this. Really nice shape. And this is nostalgic racing right here, folks. Look at how nice and clean and well prepared everything is. Very tastefully done. Got zoomies out through the fenders. Body is real nice. Cool. Yep. Just like back in the day, got a monster hammer on it. All your gauges, hood mounted. And you should have heard it come in. Pretty damn loud. But this will resonate with your guys that were hanging back in the tracks in the, late 50s, early 60s. These things were, the gassers were out on the racetrack everywhere. But like anything, they've come up in value, and this thing is highly restored. They used to be beat to crap, all dented up and stuff, but this one is nice. All the bezels are pretty. Look at this. Yes, nicely restored, nostalgia, gasser. Very beautifully done. Loud, proud. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you much.